Imagine this. You can easily post videos without working too much. Yes, you can upload someone else's videos and make money from it. But wait, is that legal? Don't worry. I'll explain everything in this video, so you can just start posting someone else's video with a comment on it, and I'll show you how to get started, and just upload that the way it is. You won't get in trouble with copyright with Facebook or anywhere else. Right now, it is the perfect time to begin this side hustle. It's something you can do from anywhere. Facebook has a lot of traffic. It's popular. Everybody knows that. And it's a great way to boost your Facebook page to 100K followers in just 1 year if you do it right. Plus, in the long term, it can bring you in steady income for life. But this is not and will never be a get-rich-quick scheme. We all know by now that something like that doesn't exist. It requires work. It requires patience and dedication. All of these content creators out there, all they have is consistency. Creating content is not rocket science, right? You don't need any degree for it. It's not complicated, but you have to talk to yourself and ask yourself, will I be able to be consistent with this for the next 6-7 months? Will I be able to just disregard all the other not so important things in my life and solely focus on this and dedicate myself? And yeah, answer truthfully to these, because if you give up in the next, let's say, 2 months, you essentially just wasted your time. Okay then, let's go. The first thing you have to do, of course, is to create yourself a Facebook page. Fairly simple button here entitled menu, click on it, and then just click on page here. When you click on page, first of all, you have to specify a name. Page name can be like, let's say fun time, because we're just gonna go with these reels that are gonna be fun for people. Then the category here, you can just type in entertainment, all right? So, entertainment website. This can be your only category. The bio is optional right now, but you can just write something. You can ask ChatGPT to do this for you as well, no props. And when you're done with it, just click on create page right here. So now there's just needs to be some setting up your page, and this is where you specify your website if you have one. This is where you just put in your phone number, email address, location, and the hours that you're working on. And you have something here which is called page health, which is fair. Now, this is compared to similar pages with high engagement out there. So make sure to get this all the way up to the right side. I'll show you what needs to be done. First of all, you got to complete all these. Now, the next thing is to add a profile picture here, and you can add whatever you want. You can add your own picture, but you can, of course, source the picture from pexels.com. It's a great way to get these photos, which are copyright free. You don't have to pay for these. And you can search, for example, something funny, because after all, this is the page that we're looking for. So you can put up a pet, you can put up this girl, you can put up whatever you like. And then the cover photo is going to be the same thing. So when you're done with both of these, so this is how it's going to look like on your desktop. So this is your, let's say, dashboard. This is your dashboard, and this is where you will start posting. In order to post, of course, you just have to source the content first. You can just copy the link of this video, and then you can Google for this thing, which is called Snaptick. Snaptick is a tool, and Snaptick allows you to just paste the link in here. All right, so you just paste that link, and that video will be downloaded for free. All right, so that's a tool that you can use. So let me just take this video. Let's say I will download this to my computer, and now I will open up CapCut. CapCut is a video editing software, which you don't have to download on your computer, but you can do that. It's a better version when you just download it on your desktop, but you don't have to. And now what is important is that we do something to this video. We have to edit this in a way. There's a lot of information on that which falls under fair use. You've probably heard about fair use. It exists on YouTube as well and all of these other platforms. But in a nutshell, all you have to do is to add some value to that content so you can reuse it. If you just took this video and just re-uploaded that to Facebook, well, sometimes the person that created that content on TikTok can see that and they can't claim a copyright strike. And this is not making sure you're copyright free. So what do you have to do? You have to add some value onto it. So either you can record your own voiceover over it, or you can film yourself adding your reaction to that video, or you can just add captions, or you can use all of these options just to make sure that you made an original content, that you added value to it. There's a lot of information online, and I suggest that you read all of this and make sure that this has been met. All of these little rules and whatever. And as you can see, has the material you have taken from the original work been transformed by adding new expression or meaning? All right. So these reaction videos that you see, they're always getting new expressions or meanings. As you can see, was value added to the original by creating new information, new aesthetics, new insights and understandings. For example, like a parody, and you've got all of that on YouTube as well. You've got a perfect video explaining to you what is fair use. So this is what I would do. I would just take that video. I would upload that on CapCut, and I can film myself talking into the camera, and I can put my little picture down there or up here of mine reaction. Or you can just use the voice, or you can just record the AI voiceover, or you can add the captions here, some smileys, some photos. You can add a little bit of another video. There's a lot of possibilities, and you just have to click with your mouse. You don't have hard things. It's really, really simple, but it has to be done. Once you do all of that, all you gotta do is to go back to your page and start uploading. Now, I would recommend you to make at least 5 to 10 videos which are ready. So, for example, you make 10 of these today, and essentially you've got yourself 5 days for free, all right? That's what I suggest. You can just make yourself to upload 2 times per day, which is going to be good for you. 1 is not going to be enough, so you can do 2. So you can just make 10 of these videos and then just start posting. You've got like 5 days in the backup, 2 each day, and then you just build on top of it. Every day you post 2 videos for the next 6-7 months, and I can guarantee you success. And in the meantime, you will learn the platform more. You will see how other people are making their content, what they do when they post, what kind of videos work well. All of that is going to go, and it's just going to bring you the experience of the platform, and you're just going to get better and better. So yeah, it does require some work, but it's not rocket science. It's not anything hard. You just sit here and you enjoy the process of creating content. So that's about it. If you wish to start with this one, just follow these rules, and I wish you good luck. Happy creating.